Hello all of you. Today Tool Marketing channel returns to share with everyone a support software on the Twitter platform, or also known as X. The software helps us post automatically to all the Twitter accounts we have. This is a software that will work on Windows operating system computers. Licensed for 1 year or lifetime, the first interface helps me manage many X accounts. Just log in your account to the software in the format such as username, password, private email, pass email. Very fast operation, just need to enter in bulk at once. When I want to post to all the accounts I have, I go to the interactive section, then I selected the Twitter post. There are 2 forms of posting. Posting form 1. Post according to the content you already have. I will choose the content I already have, or if you want to add new content, you can compose new content. I go to Content Management, select Add New Content. Enter content. I can attach pictures, for example, I compose any content. Then attach the image or video you choose here, then I saved it. When I finish saving, everyone can check to see if the content has been saved. The software will have content as well as images attached to it. Posting form 2. I compose content directly into the software. I edited the content here, for example, compose this content. Then I attach the video with the image I need. Next, everyone just needs to set some parameters here. I only need to install it once and it will automatically save for me. The next step is to select all the accounts I have. When I have all these accounts, there is content, then there is it. Click Start to operate. Everyone watched. The software will start logging into all the Twitter accounts you have. To post according to the content I have prepared, attached are pictures. Everyone, if you find this software suitable for your needs, you can contact me directly through the information I put on the video. I will support installation and instructions for use. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hello and see you in the next video.